Hello and welcome back once again. This is your Anjali ma'am, your science teacher. I welcome you all in my class. Hope you all are doing very good. So today I am going to start bookwork of chapter number 8 in science, and the chapter name is houses and clothes. So open page number 65. Objective type questions. Number 1 is name the following. A strong permanent house यानी मजबूत और हमेशा टिकने वाला जो हाउस है that it is called पक्का हाउस. तो आपको इस फिलअप में फिल करना है पक्का हाउस. Next is a hut is an example of such a house. Hut एक किस चीज का एग्जाम्पल है? पक्का हाउस? No. The answer is कच्चा हाउस. Next, number 3 is 4 materials commonly used to make a कच्चा हाउस. 4 ऐसे कॉमन यानी कि नॉर्मल सामान्य जो मटेरियल है जो कच्चा हाउस बनाने के लिए यूज आते हैं. सो दीज आर वुड, मैम ने बताया था ना आपको, मड, स्ट्रॉ, number 3 is straw and number 4 is dry leaves. Okay. Now next, number 4 is a temporary house that can be fold. कौन सा ऐसा टेम्परेरी हाउस है जिसे हम फोल्ड भी कर सकते हैं, पैक्ड, उसको हम पैक भी कर सकते हैं, और एंड कैरिड फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस, और उसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह या जहाँ भी हम चाहते हैं उसको हम कैरी करके यानी उसको लेके जा सकते हैं. द आंसर इज, टेल मी द आंसर इज, हम किसे फोल्ड कर सकते हैं? टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज अ टेम्परेरी हाउस दैट मूव्स ऑन व्हील्स. कौन सा ऐसा टेम्परेरी हाउस है जो पहियों पर चलता है, मूव होता है? एंड द आंसर इज कारवांस. Next is 2 natural fibers. So here are, these 2 are natural fibers. This is cotton. And what are natural fibers? We get from nature. And what are artificial fibers? Artificial fibers can get by man. So this is cotton fiber and this is wool, and these 2 are artificial fiber made by men. This is nylon, this is nylon fiber or thread, this is polyester. Okay. So these 2 are natural and these 2 are artificial. So name 2 natural fibers. So you can write cotton or silk or wool. आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स, आर्टिफिशियल बताने हैं हमने, जैसे मैम ने भी आपको बताया, नायलॉन एंड पॉलिस्टर. Okay. Now next interesting concept is cross the odd one. Cross the odd one. This is shirt, this is frock and this is sweater. So shirt, frock you can wear in summer season, but woolen we cannot wear. So this is odd one, so you have to cross like this. Okay. Now next, cotton. This is wool, so both are fibers, natural fiber, but this is not cotton, wool or silk. This is not natural fiber, this is artificial fiber. So now I have to cross it like this. This is odd one. Now next, house. This is flat, these are flats. So both are permanent house or pakka house. But hut is not a pakka house, it is a kacha house. So make a cross on it like this. This is odd one. Now next is straw, mud, and this is iron rod. So this is odd one. Tent. Tent is a temporary house. Karwa is a temporary house, but this is also a temporary house. No, this is permanent na, and this is odd one. Next are choose the right word to fill in the blanks. Choose the right word to fill in the blanks. Sorry for that. So choose the right words to fill in the blanks. Tents, igloos are made up of strong cloth known as canvas. तो वो कौन सा हाउस है जो क्लॉथ से बना है? इग्लूस तो आइस ब्लॉक से बनता है. सो द आंसर इज टेंट्स. A dash, Carvas or bungalow is a temporary house. So bungalow is a temporary house? No, this is permanent house. Carva is a temporary house and it moves on wheels. Nylon and dash. So polyester and silk, here are two options, are artificial fibers. So silk is an artificial fiber or natural? Natural. We get silk from silkworm. And polyester is artificial fiber. We wear light cotton cloths in summer. We get dash artificial और natural fibers from plants and animals. हमें plants और animals से natural fiber मिलता है या artificial? Natural fiber. So these are match the following: house, column A and column B. So here are some options: houseboat, igloo, tent, wool, windows, cotton. And here is fresh air and sunlight, lake, plant, fold, pack and move blocks of ice and ship. So, houseboat. Houseboat floats in the lake. Houseboat floats on the lake. Next is igloo. So, igloo, it means blocks of ice. Tent. So, tent is a, tell me, fold, pack and move. Wool. So, we get wool from sheep. Windows. So, we get fresh air and sunlight from windows. Cotton. We get cotton from cotton plant. That's it. Now, turn page number 67. Now, here I wait. So, here are multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. Here are question answers, but I will explain these question answers in my next class. So, this is multiple choice questions. What of these is not a material used to build a कच्चा house? कच्चा हाउस बनाने के लिए कौन सा मटेरियल है जो यूज नहीं होता? मड, ड्राई ग्रास, स्टील एंड वुड. सो द आंसर इज स्टील, बिकॉज अगर हम स्टील यूज करेंगे तो वो कच्चा हाउस थोड़ी ना होगा, फिर वो पक्का हाउस बन जाएगा. द स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लॉथ विथ विच अ टेंट इज मेड. टेंट कौन से क्लॉथ से, स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लॉथ से बनता है? रेनकोट, canvas, nylon or silk. So the answer is canvas. Stilt house would be found in hot and dry areas, in a place covered with snow all through the year, in a place with heavy rainfall, or floating on the lake. Tell me. So the answer is in a place with heavy rainfall. Which of these is not a feature of a clean, healthy house? Proper drainage system, stinky garbage, windows to let in sunlight and fresh air, open space. So the answer is stinky garbage. ये healthy और clean house का sign नहीं है. All of these are natural fibers except wool, natural fiber, silk, natural fiber, nylon, natural fiber, or artificial fiber, and cotton. Cotton is a natural fiber, but nylon is not a natural fiber. Okay. So now the bookwork of this lesson has completed. So you have to do this bookwork in book, only in book, not in notebook, and make sure कि आप इसे learn भी कर लेंगे. But question answers I will explain you in my next class. So till then, goodbye. I will catch you later. Happy watching.